At the top of the Weekydo menu, you will see the menu item Review. This is where you will find a complete overview of all tasks, both the completed ones under Completed and the planned ones under Planned. As soon as you click on Review, all available widgets open simultaneously. In the Review mode, you can then move your tasks back and forth between the current and the following week's plans. To do this, move the mouse to the task and click on the symbol that appears before the text. For your information, the same works with already completed tasks in the menu item Completed. Every time you click on Review, you can create a new weekly schedule or revise your current one if you've already created widgets. Of course, you can choose the time yourself, but we recommend a fixed time once a week, preferably at the start of every new week. You will know you are in review mode when the background of your widgets is dark gray and the review button says Close. After the update, you can close this mode again by clicking on Close. It is much better to manage the review function via the desktop version, not on your smartphone. It is much easier to keep track of things from a larger monitor. On this note, a small hint. If the review mode appears suspiciously empty, please check whether you have activated one or more filters. If so, the filter button will be pulsating. Simply click on Clear and all tasks will be visible again.